Good morning, friends. Today we are making the DIY body butter at home with natural ingredients. I am very fond of making the DIY projects at home, and I am a great fan of natural products. So I want to replace my body butter store bought to a natural one, and here I am preparing one of its kind. So I have taken 60 gram of shea butter, and to that I have added 30 gram of beeswax, half the amount of beeswax. And then I'm going to add an oil which is very native to the body, and that is jojoba oil. So I'm taking 60 ml of jojoba oil and adding to the mixture of beeswax and shea butter. The shea butter that I am using is 100% organic, and I brought this online. So once these three ingredients are added, I will be heating it on a water boiler and melting the ingredients. So I have already kept water in a container boiling, and then I place the bowl containing the mixture onto that with constant stirring. So once the ingredients have started melting and completely melted, as you can see, the beeswax and the shea butter has well melted into the jojoba oil, and now I am getting the melted mix. Once everything is melted, I bring the mixture down and keep it for cooling for about 10 minutes, and then I'll keep it in the refrigerator for another 10 minutes for it to cool and solidify a bit. Once it is cold enough, I will be adding my choice of essential oils. I have chosen Roman chamomile, frankincense, tea tree, geranium and lavender. I will be adding 3 drops of Roman chamomile and 3 drops of tea tree, and the rest of the oils I have added 6 drops each. This is for the health benefits, the benefits these oils have on the skin, and the sweet fragrance that they give to the body butter. So here's my body butter ready and